Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, as I mentioned in previous video also, we will be doing requirement analysis until we see some colleges open for next winter semester. So usually the winter semester application will start around September for some of the college, October for most of the college, October, November, December would be most, and in January, February, March are the ones for people who are applying through UniSS. So this is the usual deadlines for all some semester courses that are going to start in April or March. But there is an application already open for sure for University of Stuttgart. So if you guys need, I can also make in next 2 videos or 3 videos depending on the parts. I will show you how to apply for maybe computer science or computational mechanics, because I think I have done already application video for electrical engineering or information technology. I'll see which is not there. I will make application video for that particular University of Stuttgart application, because usually University of Stuttgart will usually open around more like before 9 months. So that's the reason I know, because I studied there. That's the reason I know when they will open. So if that is open, luckily then I will make a video on that. Otherwise, as I told you, this will be boring requirement analysis videos for most of the colleges, which will be coming until we see any of the college application that is open. Before we get started with today's video, if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe, and also please share this video with the people who are in need, so that they can also look into our videos, understand the requirement analysis, check for the documents what all German university is asking, then look for the application videos which we make for the same college requirements, then where to apply, how to apply, then they can also complete the application and get the admission, then start their dream course in dream college. So this is what we usually do. If you still need one-on-one session with me and you want me to apply for you, if you need any of the services that we usually have, then please check out our YouTube membership in the description of the video of everything. Then you can also join the YouTube membership. Based on your YouTube membership status, we can arrange one-on-one session and I can also apply for you. So this is what I just wanted to mention you guys in the introduction part. As I told you, when we did a requirement analysis criteria set for electrical engineering combined computer science, we got a results of 92 search criteria. In this we have already done like 52 colleges, and today we will be doing requirement analysis for one of the college, which is Technische Hochschule Mittelhessen, University of Applied Science, which is in Friedberg. If you know the criteria which we use electrical engineering master degree, engineering in English only. So this English only will also include some of the bilingual course which has like half German, half English. The typical example would be Duisburg Hessen. Then less than 50% online is we are considering, and up to 5,000 euro per semester is the colleges which we are applying for. And as I told you, today we're gonna do a technical which we gonna do is Technische Hochschule Mittelhessen for University of Applied Science, for the course Control Computer and Communication Engineering, which is CCCE. And here when we always do the requirement analysis, you know what we gonna do. We usually go through the overview, course detail, cost and fundings, and requirements and registration services, other things. So at first, degree, so the master of degree, it is MSc. So if it is MSc, then usually it should be 4 semester, but here they are doing it for 3 semester because it's a Technische Hochschule, it's not technical university. So that's the reason it is combined Technische Hochschule. That's the reason it is 3 semester usually. Then course location will be Friedberg, Hessen. Technical language is completely in English. All lecture are taught in English except the modules German as a foreign language. So German as a foreign language is nothing but course where you will be learning basic German for a communication, for your communication. So this bit comes up to A1.1, A1.2 as a basic, A2.1, A2.2, B1, B2 as your intermediates, and C1, C2 as experts. So you can also choose whichever level you need, then you can also do based on this subject. So but this subject cannot be taught in English. It is no brainer because it's a German as a speaking language. Then the full-time part-time, so it is only offered full-time, so you cannot study this course part-time. Then program duration is 3 semester, as I told. Then beginning of the semester is winter semester. There is no summer semester. So you people who want to who are interested in this particular college wants to apply, then they can only apply in winter semester. For annual admission in October, which is gonna start in October, international applicants who have completed their bachelor degree abroad can apply from 1st April to 1st June. So we already know the application deadline is already over at this month starting. So that's the reason we missed the deadline, but I am doing this requirement analysis as of now, because in next moments when we get to know, we can also make a video on this. So international applicants who have completed their bachelor degree would be 1st April to 1st June. This is the deadline if you want to apply for this particular course. Then tuition fees in the semester is in none, and combined degree program is also not possible. Joint degree program is also not possible. Here in the description and content, it is a little bit as a paragraph. I don't usually like to read it here. We can also directly go into course detail, then we will get a idea here. So here you can just see excellent teaching, state of art research and superb student support services are their strength, and we strive to enable students benefit from cooperation with the international research partners and these other things, blah blah blah. But as I told you, the curriculum is 90 credit. I want to just check for the courses that they are offering. So here you can just go through control, computer and communication engineering. Here you can just see the course structure, whatever they are teaching in each semester. At first you can just see interdisciplinary IoT projects with the scientific modules, which will be 7 credit points. Then cybersecurity 5 credit points. Language, either German as a foreign and other things, would be for 4 credit points. Then you will be having a specialization you want to choose on control specialization, computer specialization or communication specialization, whichever you want to choose. So say example you are choosing control specialization, then you will be doing advanced control methods of electrical drives and power electronics. Then modeling and simulation of electrical system drives, control renewable energy, smart grids and other things. But these are the specialization that they are asking. Say example, if you are interested in computer science and computer specialization, which is you want to pursue in AI and machine learning, then this is the specialization for you. And this is for communication guys who want to learn about DPR and signal information processing, and this will be your thing where you will be doing signal processing of analog, advancing digital and other things. But yeah, if you are doing these subjects, then your credit points will count up to around, credit points will turns up to 31 in the first semester. Then in the second semester it will comes up to 29. So at the end of second semester you will have your 60 credit points done. Then in the third semester you will do your master thesis, which will comes up to 90 credit points. So this is the complete structure, or what are the things that you're going to do. But if you want to also get to know what they're teaching in each subject, then you have to go through the website of there, when you have to download the module handbook and you can also check for it. But as I told you, it's a 90 credit course. There is a 3 specialization. You can choose whichever you want, and based on the subject criteria, go through the module handbook. If it interests you, then take that course and study. Other than that, it would be same straightforward, where you will have your international elements, there will be guest lecture and other things. Then a voluntary full-time internship for 4 weeks may be undertaken in the second semester if you want to. It's a volunteer, not a compulsory. So if it's completely on your behalf, then you have to take a urlaub semester where you have to take an holiday, then only you can only do voluntary internship. Then cost and funding, as I told you, there is no cost and funding. The university is free, and semester contribution you have to pay around 315 euros. But this 315 euros will also counts up to your travel ticket, where you can travel directly as of now throughout Germany, because DB ticket will come under this money. But in future, maybe a Deutschland ticket is finished or cancelled, then in this 315 euros you will only get your state ticket as well. Then cost of living in this particular city would be around 934. That is what they are expected. But as from 2023, they have a block token criteria where you have to show 11,208 euros, which is calculated for all throughout Germany, wherever you can live. So this much of money people who usually come to masters will block it, and they will also get every month deducted from this, so no need to worry. But if you want to, if you are exceeding that money which you are getting, then please look for the part-time opportunity where you can also earn something, then you can also live freely. Then in order to apply for this particular course, what you have to do, what you have to have the requirements. This is the main thing we usually look for. You need to have a first academic degree, bachelor degree. In Germany, they call it as diploma, or comparable for an academic university in the following area. One would be general electrical engineering, because there is a specialization which focuses on electrical engineering. There is a specialization focusing on communication and computer network engineering. Then electrical engineering and information technology, technical computer science. Then other suitable study program where you will yield that particular bachelor criteria or bachelor degree, what they are expecting for. But as if you ask me, people who have done electrical engineering, computer science, electronics, telecommunication, all that closely related field can apply for this. Then you need to have an average final grade of 2.5, which is minimum, and it's a bare minimum for all college. So it's a bare minimum that they are asking. So please make sure you come under 2.5 GPA, then apply for it, because you will get or you have a more opportunity to get this. So how to convert your CGPA or percentage to German GPA? I have already said so many of times. Please go to the THM grade conversion tool, then you can directly convert it. Language requirement, you need to have IELTS B2. So B2 will start from 6.5, at least 6.5 they are asking in IELTS. So people who wants to apply for this particular course, then please mention, make sure that you have 6.5 IELTS. Then international applicants who also need to have a basic knowledge of German, level A1 is required. The successful completion of German examination level A1 must be certified. So if you are applying, then you need to also have A1 level certificate, which will be from certified examiner. That would be Goethe, Telk, and one more is I don't know, but these are the two things which are more famous or more specified more people do as an international. So please make sure you take it from Goethe or Telk. That's the only recognized certificates that you can do. Then international applicants, we have to apply via UniSS, so we can directly do a university application when it is open, because we have done so much of university application. We know how to apply via UniSS. But these are the main things that you just wanted to make sure. You need to have a German bachelor degree in any of the closely related field, which is electrical engineering, computer science, and other things. Then you need to have an English language certificate up to 6.5, which will be IELTS 6.5. Then you have to apply via UniSS in the application deadline of 1st April to 1st June. Then services, you can also go through the services. This would be the basic services. As soon as you get a job, as soon as you get a university, then you can also apply for heavy jobs or any of the working student jobs. Then you can also check for their Wohnung, where it is for student and Wohnung, where you can get it accommodation for lesser price. Then at the end you will also have a buddy program, welcome event, and any other important information events would be given once you join or come to this particular state. So this is what I just wanted to mention you guys in this particular video of requirement analysis. I guess you guys liked it. So in the next video we will take up another college where we can also do the requirement analysis of that particular college. As I told you, if we can see application is open for University of Stuttgart, I will check which college, which application I have not done, so I will show you how to apply for that particular college and course. So see you in next video. Until then, check care. Bye bye.